How to reopen closed DMs on Discord Mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord. Let me go to my DMs and let's close a random one. Say for example this one right here. Let's go ahead and close this DM. Now as you can see, the DM has been closed and it's gone from this list right here. Now how can I find it and reopen it again? It's actually pretty easy. Just click on this search icon at the bottom and search for that person, and then when you do that, you will reopen the DM as you can see, and it will be back on the messages list right here. It's pretty straightforward and easy to follow. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and check the closed DMs on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.